Hi, so I've been working on this all day for like 8 hours. Still very preliminary, but I thought I'd show you some of the stuff I did because it's pretty fun. Anyways, this page, I don't think this image is going to stay. I think this is where the image that Ryan's been designing is going to go. It sort of looks like that. And then you've got the events page. So again, I might change out these images, and obviously add a lot more information in here. But you basically just have the whole weekend's worth of events. And then travel. And the formatting on this is a little bit messed up at the moment. I think just because I don't have my subscription yet. But that'll obviously look a lot cleaner. Where to stay. Things to do. RSVP. And then this, when people submit, it generates into a Google Doc for us, which is really nice. That's all.